A Consulting Website Guide. Chapter 1. A Consulting Website Guide. Freelance and consulting articles at liveabout.com/freelancing-and-consulting-6504659. Free current articles from the dot.com New York Times Company. Consultant websites. consultants-guide.com. Consulting.com. Consulting.com/links. amcf.org/index.asp, Association of Management Consulting Firms. imcusa.org, Institute of Management Consultants. Consultants.capital.com. top-consultant.com/us/careers/appointments.asp. consultingcrossing.com. careeroverview.com/consulting-careers.html. yenommarketinginc.com/consulting.html, how to start and operate a consulting business. Amazon.com, high-tech consulting, a guide to making money as a computer consultant, ISBN 093-523-0084. flipdog.com/job/consultant-sales-ops. top-consultant.com. 125aday.com/books/96/start-financial-planning-business.cfm. blog.humanconsultancy.com. easytraining.com. humanconsultancy.com, NGO seminars. actioninternational.com. air205.com/consulting-industry. allexperts.com. amcf.org. askanexpert.com. askme.com. bizhowto.com, Consulting Opportunities Journal. bni.com, 800-825-8286, Business Network International, be a business consultant. camp.com, Canadian Association of Management Consultants. corprat.com, start a coaching business, consulting business, or business planning. expert-market.com/m, a list of 300,000 consultants. expertmarketplace.com, 800-983-9737, job ops for consultants. hansonmarketing.com/freezany.html. howto.yahoo.com. igpc.org. imcusa.org, management consultants. jmcforum.com, Journal of Management Consulting. kennedypub.com, 800-531-0007, Magazine Consultant News. knowledgementement.co.uk/kbaz, Knowledge Management Magazine. cornferry.com/leading.html. elearn.org, Marketing Conferences and Seminars Magazine. nationalbureau.com, 800-543-1114. patca.org/directory/index, Directory of Consultants and Subcontractors in Many Fields. patca.org/directory/index, Directory of Consultants and Subcontractors in Many Fields. patca.org/newsletter. pathfinder.com. personalconsult.com. pwgroup.com/corner. referrals.com, 800-221-3104. sba.gov, Small Business Administration. sequus.org, Consulting Skills Manual. smdmc.org, 800-826-2264, Society of Medical Dental Management Consultants. summitconsultinggroup.com, 800-766-7935, Consultants Craft Newsletter. vine.com/profnet/ped/eg.acguy. Consultant Resources. Your library might have the book Directory of Experts, Authorities, and Spokespersons. Gale Group at gale.com, 800-877-GALE, puts out a 3-volume Consultants and Consulting Organizations directory. Books about business consultants are at number 658.46, number 001.068 and HD 69 at the library. Use the following websites about experts in general to help you become one for pay. 125adaY.com/books/9/6/start-financial-planning-business.cfm. actioninternational.com. AIR205.com/consulting-industry. allexperts.com. amcf.org. askaanexpert.com. askme.com. bizhowto.com, Consulting Opportunities Journal. bni.com, 800-825-8286, Business Network International, be a business consultant. camp.com, Canadian Association of Management Consultants. corprat.com, start a coaching business, consulting business, or business planning. cuis.edu/stumpers/intro.html, archive of stumping questions. du.edu/penrosel/wombat, archive of stumping questions. expert-market.com/m, list of 300,000 consultants. expertmarketplace.com, 800-983-9737, job ops for consultants. hansonmarketing.com/freezany.html. howto.yahoo.com. igpc.org. imcusa.org, management consultants. jmcforum.com, Journal of Management Consulting. kennedypub.com, 800-531-0007, Magazine Consultant News. knowledgementement.co.uk/kbaz, Knowledge Management Magazine. cornferry.com/leading.html. elearn.org, Marketing Conferences and Seminars Magazine. national-bureau.com, 800-543-1114. patca.org/directory/index, directory of consultants and subcontractors in many fields. patca.org/directory/index, directory of consultants and subcontractors in many fields. patca.org/newsletter. pathfinder.com. personalconsult.com. pwgroup.com/corner. referrals.com, 800-221-3104. sba.gov, Small Business Administration. sequis.org, Consulting Skills Manual. smdmc.org, 800-826-2264, Society of Medical Dental Management Consultants. summitconsultinggroup.com, 800-766-7935, Consultants Craft Newsletter. vine.com/profnet/ped/eg.acguy. Consultants News. Kennedy Information. Kennedy PL. RT12S. Fitzwilliam, New Hampshire 03447. 800-531-1026. 603-585-6544. Fax, 603-585-9555. Office at kennedy.info.com. kennedyinfo.com. Consulting Opportunities Journal. 11954, Big Spring Road. Clear Spring, Maryland 21722-1925. 301-791-9332. bizhowto.com. Sandler Systems. 800-669-3537. Become a corporate trainer. Chapter 2. Consulting websites at DMOZ-ODP. Consulting HR websites at dmoz-odp.org/business/human_resources/consulting. AbsoluteHRSolutions.com. Absolute HR Solutions offers advice, pre-written policy solutions and job description writing and evaluation services. AdelisDevelopment.com, Adelis Development Systems, specializing in development of leadership and organization development and training. APRTestingServices.com, APR Testing Services, provides online and paper-based testing products and related applied psychology consulting services. Airs.com, the Airs Group, New York-based company specializing in recruitment, technology consulting, human resources consulting, career transition and retirement planning. BARRETT-ASSOCIATES.com, Barrett & Associates, Inc., provides custom-developed human resource systems and services to public and private organizations. Biddle.com, Biddle Consulting Group, California-based company offering human resources consulting services in the areas of equal employment opportunity, test development and validation, pay equity reviews, affirmative action plans and testing. BirchtreeHR.com, Birchtree, a human resources consulting firm. BrunoMatarazzo.com.ar, Bruno Matarazzo y Associados, human resource consultants, specializing in outplacement services. CambriaConsulting.com, Cambria Consulting, Boston-based consulting firm that specializes in human resource management and organization development for North American companies with global reach. CareerCheck.com, CareerCheck, specializes in pre-employment background investigations. CChange.co.uk, Change Communications Ltd, providing tools to communicate with employees and to develop strategies to attract, motivate, and retain employees. CCIConsulting.com, Career Concepts Incorporated, provides outplacement, recruiting, human resource consulting services, customer service training, organizational effectiveness training, and executive coaching. Chatfieldgroup.com, the Chatfield Group, providing human resources assessment, consulting, marketing communications, training, coaching, recruiting, and staffing. ChestermanSwan.com, Chesterman Swan & Co. Ltd, human resources consultancy focusing on recruitment, occupational psychology, and change management. CLARK-HEIDRICH.com, the Clark Heidrich Group, human resources consulting firm specializing in recruitment and selection, OSHA compliance, workers' compensation administration, wage and salary administration, and problem employee counseling. CompaNDBen.com, CompandBen Limited, specializing in international payroll and employment contracts, employer of record service, HR advice, employee handbooks, and local labor law. Compass.com.sg, Compass, international human resources consulting company based in Singapore. CompensationResources.com, Compensation Resources, Inc., providing compensation and human resource consulting services. Condrey-consulting.com, Condrey & Associates, Inc., consulting firm specializing in human resource management techniques for state and local governments, including classification and pay plans, performance appraisal, executive search, and salary surveys. Kroner.biz, the Kroner Company, management consulting firm specializing in compensation plan design, industry-specific compensation surveys, strategic planning, and organization design. CrossfordGroup.com, Crossford Consulting Group, subjects include leadership, performance measurement, and management. Cybercoaching.ca, Al Gates & Associates, helps organizations with human resource management, appraisals, and human resource consulting in Victoria, British Columbia. DCIConsult.com, DCI Consulting, specializing in affirmative action and EEO compliance. DMGQ.de, DMGQ Management Academy, German consulting firm whose services include human resources management, coaching, training, management consulting, and change management. drjohnsullivan.com, Drive. DuncanWorldwide.com, The Duncan Company, HR consulting, specializing in human resource diagnostic tools, leadership training, and coaching. EastPT.com, Eastern Point Consulting Group, specialize in consultation and training on diversity, team building, change, and leadership. ebs-consulting.com, EBS Consulting, provides a range of consulting services on a number of human resources topics including compensation, benefits, health, safety, and organizational development. EEO-MADESIMPLE.com, EEO Made Simple Consulting, affirmative action compliance software provider. EEOconsultants.com, EEO Consultants, offers equal employment opportunity seminars and affirmative action programs. ELT-INC.com, Employment Law Learning Technologies, online compliance training for managers and employees on critical U.S. employment law/HR topics, including harassment, discrimination, privacy, and diversity. EmployersGroup.com, Employers Group, a California-based human resources consulting firm offering custom consulting services, training, seminars, publications, and products. EWC.BE, East West Consulting SPRL, provides executive search, consultancy, management, and training services to both private and public sector clients. ExecDevIntl.com, Executive Development International EDI, U.S. ExpertApproach.com, Expert Approach, Inc., provides computer services to recruiters and temporary agencies. GarudaHR.com, Garuda Research Institute, develops tools for modeling and using competencies to improve organizational performance. GroupManagement.com, Group Management Services Incorporated, provides outsourcing for human resources services including taxes, risk management, and benefits. HAMILTON-RYKER.com, Hamilton Riker, specializes in human resources consulting, commercial staffing, and training in Tennessee, Kentucky and Mississippi. Hewitt.com, Hewitt Associates, a management consulting firm specializing in human resources solutions including outsourcing, strategy, technology, organizational change, retirement, ERISA, talent and reward strategies. HPIINTL.com, Human Perspectives International, Inc., a management consulting, development and training firm. HRadvice.com, HRadvice.com, offers human resources advice for a fee by email or telephone. HRAnswerLink.com, HRAnswerLink.com, human resource online services providing information, news, and consultative solutions to compensation, benefits, recruitment and employee relations challenges. HRAServices.com, HRA Services, various HR services. HRAudit.com, HR Audit, specialists in human resources functional and strategic assessments and assistance during mergers, acquisitions due diligence, post-acquisition, and during change initiatives. RonnieInc.com, HR1, Michigan-based company offering executive search, recruiting, testing and evaluation, assessment, organizational development, and outplacement services. HRSolutions-UK.com, HR Solutions, a human resources consultancy offering an alternative professional approach with practical solutions to any human resources issues. HRWisdom.com, HRWisdom.com, for HR staff who facing EHR, outsourcing, and other current topics. HumanResourceAdvisors.com, Human Resource Advisors, full service, HR business security system. INNOVATIVE-HRSOLUTIONS.com, Innovative HR Solutions, a human resources consulting firm specializing in employee opinion surveys, employee handbook development and HR generalist support. INSIGHT-HR.co.uk, Insight Human Resource Consultants, based in Sussex, UK. Insight HR is a specialist management consultancy that provides a wide range of recruitment, personnel, training, and industrial relations services. ISHRgroup.com, ISHR Group, services include human resources consulting and auditing, executive assessments and coaching, and compliance training. JLNIC.com, JL. jmsolutions.co.uk, jointly managed solutions, recruitment services, HR consultancy, and management development. CardisLarsen.com, Cardis Larsen LLC, Legal Compliance, Employee Communications, Performance Management, Leadership Development, and Coaching. CAWConsulting.com, CAW Consulting, Delaware-based company providing customized training and development, human resources, and organizational development consulting. Koenig.ca, Koenig & Associates, a Canadian human resources and organizational consulting practice. Landsberger.com, LBA Consulting Group, provides senior management with advisory services on issues pertaining to compensation, talent management, and change management. LaserAssociates.net, Stephen A. Lorden.com, Lorden Associates, Inc., specializes in auditing products and consulting, employment practices, risk management, benchmarking, and human resources management. LHH.com, Lee Hecht Harrison, a career management services company specializing in outplacement, leadership consulting, executive coaching and career development services. ManagementPerformance.com, Management Performance International, organizational improvement, employee and union relations, compensation and benefits, and processes. MBLGroup.com, MBL Group, LLC, a consulting firm offering human resources outsourcing services and consulting in compensation, staffing, employee relations and training. McGrathConsulting.com, McGrath Consulting LLC, services include fire, EMS, and police consulting, human resources services, management training, risk assessment and disaster preparedness, master planning, assessment center testing, and efficiency studies. Molini.com, M2, Matthias Molini. MostellerHR.com, Mosteller & Associates, a full-service professional human resource consulting firm assisting organizations of all sizes. MunoSummers.com, Muno, Summers & Associates, specialize in employee assessments for use in hiring, management and promotion. NBR2.com, National Business Research Institute, customer service and employee surveys and research for large businesses seeking to read the minds of their customers and employees in order to develop the organization to a higher level. NorrisAssociates.com, Norris & Associates Consulting, California-based company offering human resources consulting and risk and disability management. OakConsulting.com, Oak Consulting Incorporated, consulting firm organized to assist global corporations in meeting the challenges of the business environment. OceanTidesGroup.com, Ocean Tides Performance Group, offers human resources and organizational development consulting, and training and facilitation services. OEStrategies.com, organizational effectiveness strategies, human resources consulting firm which focuses on employee selection and development, leadership effectiveness, and retention management. OpDikeGroup.com, the OpDike Group, a management consulting firm specializing human resources and intellectual capital. OperationsInc.com, OperationsInc.com, focusing on recruitment management and administration, compliance, and operational process efficiency. OrganizationWisdom.com, Pearson & Associates Inc., consultants in organizational development, human resources planning, compensation, and managerial coaching. ParkerHR.com, Parker Associates, providing support and consultation in human resources management including compliance audit, employee handbook, articles, forms, training seminars, and sexual harassment. PeopleStarAtegi.com, People Strategy, human resources service bureau that uses internet and interactive voice response technology to provide for recruitment and selection, retention, employee assessment, development, and opinion surveys. PERFORMANCE-STRATEGIES.com, Performance Strategies, Ltd., consultants offering human resources training, management consulting and organizational development. PersonnelDecisions.com, Personnel Decisions International PDI, focuses on employee assessment and leadership development. PhilipLynch.co.uk, Philip Lynch Consulting, working time reorganization, annual hours and flexible contracts that have improved performance and profits in many blue-chip organizations in the UK and overseas. philipblount.com. Philip Blount and Associates, Inc., a Georgia-based consulting firm that specializes in compensation programs, leadership development, and organizational design. plotkinrope.com. The Plotkin Group, an international management consulting firm that specializes in offering a wide variety of employee tests and assessments to help make cost-effective hiring, promoting, and training decisions. proven-strategies.com. Proven strategies, focused on production and worker satisfaction. Psychometrician.net. Sandra Dolan, Ph.D., Psychometric and Certification Exam Consultations in Test Development, RASH-IRT, Equating and Standard Setting. rccassociation.com. RCC Associates, offers human resources consulting, training, staffing, and career services. Reactance.com. Application Technologies, a full-service human resources consulting firm that specializes in providing outsourced HR solutions and general consulting. rendez-vousmc.com. Rendezvous Management Consultancy, management development organization specializing in personal development planning and interpersonal skills. Self-directedteams.com. Competitive Advantage Consultants, specializes in the design and implementation of self-directed work teams SDWTs. SBISolutions.com. Strategic Partners Incorporated, provides consulting and training in the areas of recruiting and retainment, leadership, sales productivity, and performance. SpotThatZebra.co.za. Spot That Zebra, management consulting firm that focuses on marketing, human resources, and customer service. SR-ASSOCIATES.com. Stuart Robertson and Associates, business psychologists offering a range of assessment programs including the Quintax Personality Questionnaire, 360-degree feedback, and executive assessment for selection. Standard.com. Stannard and Associates, Inc., specializes in employee surveys, public safety testing and assessment systems. tbglabor.com. The Burke Group TBG company offers management consultancy, with focus on minimizing the presence or influence of unions. The-williams-group.com. The Williams Group, human resources and employment law consultants based in Des Moines, Iowa. The-hrc.com. The Human Resource Consortium, LLC, a Connecticut-based human resource consulting firm providing human resource management, organizational development, labor relations, and training programs. TheMcAloonGroup.com. The McAloon Group offers personal, life, and business coaching for individuals and organizations. TheQuorumGroup.com. The Quorum Group provides compensation and human resource management services including customized salary surveys, position evaluation, regulatory compliance, and affirmative action program development. THRD.com. The Human Resource Department, Limited, provider of outsourced management services for human resource projects including consulting, project management, and temporary professionals. TitanHR.com. Titan Group LLC, provides strategic human resources consulting services to emerging and middle market companies. TMP.com. TMP Worldwide Incorporated, recruitment advertising agency offering employer branding, retention, diversity, and applicant tracking systems. TRCstaffing.com. TRC Staffing Services, Inc., offers human resource consulting. Verbalworth.com. Verbal, Worth, and Verbal, provides human resource development services for clients in industry, healthcare, nonprofits, universities, and government. VFandco.com. Valerie Fredrickson and Company, offers human resources services including retained executive search, compliance/audits and contracting, succession planning, management development, executive coaching and outplacement. Vitalwork.com. Vital Work, Inc., management consulting services, tools, and training. VRG-inc.com. The Van Zant Resource Group, a human resources services company specializing in HR compliance, candidate sourcing, and affirmative action plans. WillisTowersWatson.com/n, Willis Towers Watson, design and deliver solutions that manage risk, optimize benefits, cultivate talent, and expand the power of capital to protect and strengthen institutions and individuals. WorkplaceDimensions.com, Workplace Dimensions, Virginia-based company offering human resources services to small to medium-sized businesses. RightSources.com, Right Sources, specialize in workplace harmony, leadership development, performance, and process improvement and compensation. YourHRDepartment.com, Your HR Department, Inc., a human resource consulting firm providing sexual harassment training, recruiting, legal consulting services, outsourcing and employee handbooks. ZYNamicGroup.com, Znamic Group, provides programs for areas of HR management, employee relations, federal compliance, and benefits administration. Consulting, industrial goods and services, websites at dmoz-odp.org/business/industrial_goods_and_services/consulting. amt-mep.org, Alliance for Manufacturing and Technology, non-profit consulting and assistance organization offers affordable improvement services for manufacturing and technology-related organizations. amteccorrosion.co.uk, Amtech, consultancy and test house specializing in coatings breakdown, corrosion failures and testing. Services include inspection for marine, industrial, shipping and oil field industries. ArgoConsulting.com, Argo Incorporated, operations consulting company with offices in Chicago and Brussels and projects in 15 countries. Specialties include lean transformation, Six Sigma, Kaizen, Kanban, just-in-time, Toyota Production System, and new product development. Acima.com.au, Acima International, Australia-based mechanical consulting engineers for rolling stock, automotive, marine and aerospace industries. ASPACIA.com, Aspacia Systems, manufacturing support software systems for variety of computer systems and company sizes. Also offer training. AutoConsulting.com, Automotive Consulting Group, Inc., Benchmark Current Operations Consulting. Azion.net, Akion, consulting firm specializes in assisting organizations to understand, implement, and maintain ISO certification. This is done through consulting, auditor training, and corrective action education. Bergander.com, Bergander Limited, consultancy specializing in culture change driven by strategy development, employee involvement, management development, and change management. bmpco.org, BMP Center of Excellence, non-profit portal/source for innovative technologies and best manufacturing practices. Offers solutions in cost, schedule, quality, performance, safety, and efficiency of manufacturing. BorderAssembly.com, Border Assembly Incorporated, manufacturing and maquiladora assistance for all products. BorkConsulting.com, Bork Consulting Associates, consulting and education organization focusing on linking PDM and ERP, APS systems, lean manufacturing, and product data management. bpic.co.uk, BPIC, Resource Planning and Control, located in UK. Castlebrookcorp.com, Castlebrook Corporation, consulting and design services for the semiconductor equipment and processing industries, the high vacuum equipment industry, and the deposition process industry. CatesInc.com, Cates & Associates, Inc., delivers engineering, project management, documentation, and training services. Provides technology and assistance in improving plant and equipment, storerooms, maintenance plans, and control systems. CentrusConsulting.com, Centrus Consulting, Inc., operations and manufacturing consultants to industries including pharmaceuticals, construction, consumer products, and packaging. CERAMIST-TECHNOLOGIST.com, The Ceramist Technologist, technical and management consulting within the clay-based manufacturing industries. ChemQuest.com, The ChemQuest Group, strategic management consultants specializing in the coatings, adhesives, sealants, and automotive industries. CIMquest.com, CIMquest, Inc., provides system integration and computer system validation services having the ability to provide project management, engineering, quality assurance, management consulting, system analysis, testing, training. clwydassociates.co.uk, CLWYD Associates, Health, Safety and Environmental Consultancy provides auditing, risk assessment, training, policy and procedure development to commerce and industry. critical-path.itgo.com, Critical Path Technologies, specializing in turnarounds and general bottom-line financial improvement for manufacturing companies. Deformationcontrol.com, Deformation Control Technology, Inc., manufacturing process modeling and simulation, including heat treatment, forging, and thermal barrier coatings. DeHartConsulting.com, DeHart Consulting, consultants to midsize electronics manufacturers. Services include supply management, plant floor design and product and manufacturing engineering. DeltaDynamicsinc.com, Delta Dynamics, offers the speed to market products, book, videotape, seminars. Helps job shops focus on cutting lead time by taking chronological delays out of business processes to enhance organizational growth and prosperity. DowntimeCentral.com, Business Industrial Network, exploring the true cost of manufacturing downtime. Research and information to justify maintenance costs. DugganInc.com, Duggan & Associates Incorporated, provides lean consulting and implementation. Offers workshops in value stream mapping and lean cell design. E-9.biz, E9 Limited, providers of technical, industrial, marketing and management services to industry and commerce. EGMA.com, E.G. Mahler & Associates, Inc., consulting services in asset arenas of knowledge, working capital, and equipment. Electric.com, MXB, education and application support products for PRMS, trademark of Acacia Technologies, a division of Computer Associates, International. Manufacturing systems, controls, and procedures consulting. EMA-INC.com, EMA Services Inc., manufacturing consulting. Entgrate.com, Entgrate, consulting and systems integration services for manufacturing industries designed to help manufacturers leverage technology. Helps clients integrate supply chains with production floor systems in food, beverage, consumer products, food production, paper production, pulp and paper. Envistion.biz, Envistion, key services include operations strategy development, performance improvement, and lean manufacturing systems design and implementation. Ergodesign.nl, Ergodesign BV, Netherlands-based consultancy and software company supports manufacturing plants in layout planning lines and work cells, logistics simulation, and scheduling. GuyLean.com, GEI, specializes in implementing lean at manufacturing plants. GeneGE.org, Gen Alliance, a state organization that fosters economic growth by enhancing the competitiveness of Virginia's small and medium-sized manufacturers. GroupCreatech.com, the Createch Group, consulting in re-engineering and application of technologies. Located in Canada. HostCM.com, Haas Corporation, process improvements associated with chemical use in manufacturing. HansonGroup.com, the Hands-On Group, Inc., provides lean manufacturing, organizational change, process improvement, and human resource development consulting to steel mills and similar capital-intensive businesses. hhoska.co.uk, Hoska Management Consultants Limited, lean manufacturing, Kaizen, and continuous improvement. hvaudit.com, Hungerford Vinton, LLC, special audits, including distributor, contractor, rebate, promotion, accounts payable, royalty, franchise, and advertising. IBNAG.com, IBNAG, consultant for the agro-food industry. iCan.com.au, Industrial Control and Electrical TI Ltd. Provides electrical and control engineering services to industrial and mining projects. Based in Australia. IDCon.com, IDCon, Inc., reliability and maintenance management consultant firm provides education, training and implementation of better reliability management practices for the process and manufacturing industry. Inventoriesolutins.org, Inventory Solutions, consultants offer solutions for materials management, improved materials flow, just-in-time manufacturing implementation, and optimal inventory stocking. Kanbanexperts.co.uk, Kanban Experts, experts in the Kanban and just-in-time systems of component management. KaufmanGlobal.com, Kaufman Global, LLC, consulting firm specializes in the implementation of strategic initiatives such as lean manufacturing, Office Kaizen, and Six Sigma quality programs. LakeCountyPartners.com, Lake County Partners of Illinois, nonprofit organization in Lake County, Illinois offering financial, human resource and manufacturing consulting. LeanAdvisors.com, Lean Advisors, Inc., lean manufacturing consulting, training, and implementation services for healthcare, aerospace, food processing, process, and manufacturing. LINCHPIN-MSI.com, Lynchpin Manufacturing Specialists, Inc., consultants in manufacturing efficiency, cost control, and project management. LostFoam.com, Austin Associates, consulting firm specializes in product and tool design to the lost foam casting industry. MAMTC.com, Mid-America Manufacturing Technology Center, manufacturing consulting company advising small to medium-size manufacturers. MCP-CG.com, MCP Consulting Group, provides consulting services focusing on the performance and efficiency of business, government, and other organizations in the manufacturing industry. MFGang.com, Manufacturing Engineering, consults on lean training, consulting, and manufacturing. Located in Columbus, Ohio. MFGSYSGroup.com, Manufacturing Systems Group, QLERP, MicroMRP, implementation, training for Max and Crystal reports. Off-the-shelf Crystal reports and MRP audits for existing users. MGTrading.com, Global Trade Specialists, Inc., American company sets up contract manufacturing in China. Concentrates on products made from metal, plastic, wood, or stone. MITEXGroup.com, Mitex Group, Inc., design and consulting company for the tool and die industry specializing in high-end design, surfacing and modeling of transfer, progressive, and line dies. MMT-INST.com, The Tact Times Group, manufacturing consulting. MoneyandMachines.com, OEE Consulting, Limited, provides assistance in determining overall equipment effectiveness to improve the return on capital employed, ROS. NAPSINTL.com, North American Production Sharing, Inc., Mexico Manufacturing NAFTA Consulting. OP-IN.com, Operational Innovations, Inc., consulting firm specializing in project management, technical and operational services for the food, beverage, and consumer goods industries. Pragmatic.net, Pragmatic Consulting, Inc., full-service consulting company specializing in manufacturing companies. Executive/strategic consulting, engineering/process improvement, quality systems, ISO/QS 9000 implementation and training, and systems applications. PrimeXBR.org, Puerto Rico Manufacturing Extension, Inc. PrimeX, nonprofit organization provides technical assistance and technology transfer to the small and medium-sized manufacturers in Puerto Rico. Services include automation, benchmarking, cost and inventory analysis, e-business, process and layout implementations and supply chain management. Profit-link.com, ProfitLink, management consulting and training firm offers services in cost reduction, sales margin improvement, and customer satisfaction. QPAtraining.com, QPA Training and Consulting, training and consulting to manufacturers for quality and productivity. qsinnovations.com/vendor-management-program.html, Quality Systems Innovations, Inc., Vendor Management Program. QUE1.com, QUE1, specializing in new technologies to support your existing manufacturing systems. RESSOURCES-EN-INNOVATION.com, Resources and Innovation, consultants to chemicals and materials industry provide competitive intelligence, market research, technology consulting, and research and development programs. Site in French and English. rmdonovan.com, R. Michael Donovan & Co. Inc., international management consulting and education firm. rowentechnology.com, Rowan Technology Group, manufacturing consulting firm providing market analysis, strategic marketing, and competitive technical intelligence for the advanced technology, advanced materials and coatings industry in the US, Canada, and Europe. Sandalwood.com, Sandalwood, ergonomics and engineering services for manufacturers including program management, consulting, and project engineering services. SinclairGroup.com, Sinclair Group, manufacturing consulting. Spiritech.cc, Spiritech Advanced Products, Inc., small product development firm with experience in high-performance aircraft propulsion. Expertise in aerodynamics, advanced cooling technologies, lightweight structures, and propulsion system performance. SplicingSolutions.com, SplicingSolutions.com, features a list of services, contacts, show calendar, how-to guide, and disclaimers on how to splice applications. Spoudhia.com, SP Auditia, undertaking turnkey project consulting. SteveHodgesAssociation.com, Steve Hodges Associates, Inc., furniture design and marketing services to residential furniture manufacturers. StraightGoesInc.com, Strategus, Inc., consultants offer articles, downloads, and referrals to other resources on lean manufacturing, manufacturing strategy, Six Sigma quality control, and facilities planning. Stratotech.com, Stratotech Corporation, Colorado-based manufacturing efficiency experts who specialize in the implementation of demand-based manufacturing, flow or pull, systems for manufacturing firms and research and development startup companies. SynergyPeon.com, Synergy Process Systems, India-based consulting company provides solutions in the field of distillation, solvent recovery, absorption, and other separation and thermal techniques. TACTIKZ.com/home-taktik, Z, sells businesses information technology, business furniture and maintenance, repair and operations, MRO, products and services. TechnicalChange.com, Technical Change Associates, business consulting. TJWA.com, TJ Walker & Associates Inc., Minnesota-based engineering firm specializes in process development, lean operations, web handling, and technology management. toledo-bend.net/garst/index.asp, grass lure design, fishing lure design and consultation. tpfeurope.com, TPF Europe, consulting firm specializes in productivity improvements, both in manufacturing industries as in service organizations. Firm is based in Belgium and the Netherlands. Site is available in English, French, and Dutch. TPM-INSTITUTE.com, International TPM Institute, Inc., training and consulting services in total productive maintenance, and maintenance management. Offices in North America, South America, and Europe. Site is in English, German, and Spanish. tremaine.fsnet.co.uk/ISO2000.html, medical device and QA, consultancy in the ISO 9000 revision 2000 for medical device manufacturers. Zentech.co.uk, Zentech Limited, consulting company for standard work, Kanban, and Kaizen. Coaches clients in the rapid deployment of these tools to generate a quick payback. Downloadable features to get started. Consulting, outsourcing, Websites at dmoz-odp.org/business/business_services/outsourcing/consulting. 4iconsult.com, 4i Consulting, an international management consulting company specializing in strategic, customer-centric, and optimized business solutions. aeg-inc.com, AEG, Inc., offer consulting and contracting IT/engineering services. alsbridge.com, Allsbridge, outsourcing consultants specializing in BPO, information technology, and HR outsourcing. amrit.com, Amrit Ventures, offer consulting for outsourcing and insourcing, captive, operations. blue-limes.com, Blue Limes, offer a variety of management support services. bucygroup.com, Busey Resource Group, a Native American-owned small business that offers ways and capabilities in outsourcing. cbmgroup.co.uk, Comprehensive Business Management Ltd, professional outsourcing of non-core critical business operations. CBM aims to help cut costs and focus companies on their core business. cluster-one.net, Cluster 1, offers consultancy in industrial design, architecture, landscape architecture, web design, and CAD/CAM services. daltonint.com, Dalton Associates International, offer consulting services for financial/banking institutions. excelict.com, Excelict Consulting, offshore advisory firm for IT, BPO and biotechnology. fryandassociates.com, Fry & Associates, providing proposal, business development, and consulting services in response to federal, state, and local government procurement requirements. granvillemanagement.com, Granville Management Incorporated, supplies consulting services for business transitions such as outsourcing projects. guymarketing.co.uk, Marketing Care, deliver core marketing activity through implementation processes. inac2.com, Inaxia Group LLC, providing consulting, implementation, project management, and management services to companies that want to outsource call center customer care or back office operations to domestic or offshore centers. jdalilassociates.com, jdalil Associates, helping businesses explore the benefits of outsourcing and offshore alliances. mantrazis.com, Mantra Technologies, IT consulting company based in Atlanta, Georgia. Metagire.com, Metagire, Inc., provides assessment, advisory, and management services. msquared.com, msquared, assists companies with their business objectives by providing consultants for a range of business projects and interim management engagements. nyawards.com, New England Awards, creates awards and incentive programs, including corporate branding strategies and recognition of performance. orbis.co.uk, Orbis Consulting, provides specialist outsourcing advisory and implementation support services. oswaldtech.com, Oswald Technologies, offers help in the development of offshore web and software projects. p4b-law.co.uk, P4B Law Limited, cover areas such as HR, employment law, health and safety, and quality to organizations throughout the UK. prglolinks.com, PR. Glolinks, offers services of developing organizational outsourcing strategies and assessing businesses. productinnovator.com, Product Innovator, Limited, provide research of markets, development of product and marketing strategies, and related services. qme2u.com, Quality Management Excellence, Malaysian firm providing consultancy, training, and support services in the fields of business process re-engineering, quality management, and strategic management. Shelford Business Consultants.co.uk, Shelford Business Consultants Limited, consultants for business improvement, manufacturing analysis, active strategy management, and general business mentoring. tbicentral.com, Technology and Business Integrators, outsourcing and data center operations consulting firm. techprocorp.com, Technology Procurement Corporation, offers services related to technology procurement. TrestleGroup.com, Trestle Group, provides consulting for technology and BPO services. USCHinaBuys.com, US China Business Solutions, offer sourcing services in China for US manufacturers. World Trade Consulting websites at dmoz-odp.org/business/international_business_and_trade/consulting. Subcategories: Business Development, Executive Recruiters, Import and Export, Political and Economic Risk. ActiveInternational.com, Active International, provides problem-solving programs to transform underperforming assets into profits. AppleTreeConsulting.com, AppleTree Consulting, Inc., flexible business assistance and on-site representation for national and international companies. bbassett.com, Benning Bassett, marketing, trade finance, and project management services for doing business in Spain. bhpcapital.com, BHP Capital, advisors to mid-market companies on international finance, acquisitions, and cross-border joint ventures. bsbi.net, Baltic Sea Business Initiative, an international business and economic advisor and consulting group, specializing in cross-Atlantic transactions between the US and the Baltic region. bxtc.com, BXTC, performs economic offset, countertrade, and foreign industrial programs for companies expanding globally. CastleInternational.com, Castle International, specializes in competitive and market research, cross-cultural communications training and business planning. Overview, principal profile, and description of services. Catharsis.com, Catharsis Group LLP, partnership with a broad international reach, involved in many projects. Planning services addressing sustainability issues, environmental remediation, policy, and economic analysis. CBI.eu, Center for the Promotion of Imports, CBI. Provides specialized assistance to exporters from developing countries and to European Union importers. Information about programs, competencies, clients, and employment and internship opportunities. China-strategies.com, China Strategies, offers advice and information for corporations doing business in China. Services include entry strategies, implementation, and operations management. ChinaConcept.com, China Concept Consulting, consulting services and publications for global businesses in China. Services include industry intelligence, business strategy, corporate diplomacy, risk management, and private equity. Converve.de, CONVERV, provides support in setting up B2B matchmaking events for trade fairs and conferences organizers, networks, and specialist groups. Services description and contact information. CPS-GmbH.com, CPS Industrial Representatives GmbH, agents of European producers, advice for industrial projects in the Middle East. CWCGulf.com, CWC Gulf, UK consultancy with offices in Dubai and Muscat specializing in assisting clients to develop business opportunities in the Middle East, particularly throughout the GCC, Gulf Cooperation Council, states. DEHEAP.com, DEHEAP Enterprises, Inc., provides incubation services to American subsidiaries of international corporations. EmergencyOGroup.com, Emergo Group Incorporated, specializes in medical device regulatory affairs, product compliance, and quality system implementation. Offices in the United States, Canada, Europe, and Australia. Europartnership.com, Europartnership, European Central Bank official Europartner offers consultancy on business strategies and other topics related to monetary union and currency transition. EXCELLENCE-GROUP.com, Excellence Consulting Group, Spanish firm offering market analysis, import and export services, business assistance and logistics. Expatworld.co.za, expatriate preparation, providing a broad range of services related to HR globalization strategies and expatriate-related issues. FirmaOffshore.ro, Oxford Tax Solutions, chartered certified accountants providing tax consultancy, trust advice, offshore corporate formation and shipping management. Romanian/English. FTZcorp.com, foreign trade zone, consulting firm that deals in specially designated U.S. customs areas known as foreign trade zones. hkconsultant.com.hk, Wonderful Rife Consulting Group, business, financial, and tax consulting for companies doing business in China and Hong Kong. iasworldtrade.com, International Advisory Services Group, Limited, Washington, D.C. Based import-export consultancy specializing in emerging and transitional market. IBN.LT, International Business Network, assists companies considering doing business in Baltic countries, providing business development and consulting services to foreign and local companies. Innova.org, Innova International Development, provides consulting to government and industry in developing nations, in association with agencies like the World Bank and Canadian International Development Agency, CIDA. Integration.org, Integration Consultants, German-based international consulting company which provides technical assistance and training, experienced with the European Commission and German agencies. Interdigit.com, Interdigit Medica, provides sales, marketing and consulting services to medical device companies seeking access to the European market. Interstisconsulting.com, Interstis Consulting, a multidisciplinary firm offering financial, legal, tax and business advice. JMILTON-ASSOC.com, John W. Milton & Associates Consultants Int., consultation on all aspects of trade and investments in Africa, Caribbean, and Latin America. JoanHansen.com, Joan Hansen and Company, Inc., International Licensing Consultants. Kazakis.com, Kazakis International, Export Management and Procedure Audit Consulting, Seminars and Training. Company and staff background and overview of services offered. RICH-LINK.com, Rich Link Business Consulting Limited, bilingual staff experienced in representing foreigners operating business in China. Services include suggesting sites for investment, advising negotiations with the government. SternGroup.biz, the Stern Group, Inc., trade advisory firm, providing services including resolving international trade and commercial disputes. Capabilities, publications, new and testimonials. Tatus.com, Tatus Ltd, solutions for revenue compliance, trade facilitation, and security, especially for developing and transition economies. Thunderlake.com, Thunder Lake Management Incorporated, carries out trade policy and development work, tracks international trade through a newsletter of analysis, briefings, and forecasts, and prepares high-concept e-commerce studies packaged with registered domain names. tm-int.com, Thomas McCaig International, provides on-site trade management advisory and education services to small, medium, and large enterprises. VenTNN.com, Venten Business Management Services, offers support for USA-Venezuela trade. Describes capabilities. Whitehouse.mbnd.com, Whitehouse and Associates, South African research and consulting company dedicated to the international trading environment. Background, client list, and news. Consulting, import-export, websites at dmoz-odp.org/business/international_trade/import_and_export/consulting. AXAMtrade.com, AXAMtrade provides sales, marketing, and management expertise to emerging global companies in their quest to bring quality products and services to market. AYDON-consultants.com, Aiden Consultants, multilingual company specializing in international business development, assisting companies to expand or create export and import opportunities. BellDavies.com, Bell Davies Customs, an independent firm of customs duty and VAT consultants. CIRCINewsLTD.com, Cercinus, Ltd., specializing in U.S. Doria.com, Doria International, international trade consultants specializing in importing into the U.S. drbc.de, Dr. Bommer Consultants, offers market entry Germany, business development and sales services with focus on high-tech. busines-in-asia.com, Runkel and Associates, a specialist in researching the bona fides, creditworthiness and business history of companies based in Southeast Asia. consultims.com, International Marketing Services, Inc. customsadvisor.co.uk, Terra International, consultants in world trade law and international trade, customs and export control regulations, UK, US, European. Entraz.it, Entras, providing import-export management, consulting and translation services. Exportaid.co.uk, Exported, providing assistance for UK exporters, offering a range of services from market studies and strategy formulation to more hands-on operational help. Fios.com, Far East outsourcing and subcontracting services, assisting European companies seeking import/export and outsourcing opportunities in China and vice versa. hbmarketing.freeservers.com, H&B Marketing, helping small businesses make the most of worldwide trade, experienced operating as a marketing and import-export consultancy. Hollando.net, Hollando Trading Consultancy, specializes in the promotion, export, marketing, and distribution of exclusive products. Informed.com.au, Informed Enterprises, Japanese trade, negotiation, and financial experts ready to assist foreign companies in establishing and maintaining successful business relationships with Japanese companies. Intrica.de, Intrica Export Service, German-based export company and offering service mainly to companies in the Near and Middle East region. ke-international.com, ke. McFarland.de, McFarland International Business Services, Export Consulting, International Business Placement, Partnerships, Translation and Multi-Language Call Center Facilities. mibd.co.uk, Minster International Business Development Ltd, consultancy assisting companies trading from the UK or wishing to export the UK. Orientis.eu, Orientis, offers consultations and trade services related to China and other Southeast Asian countries. tbrconsulting.se, TBR Consulting AB, Export-Import Marketing Consultants. Tradesurinc.com, Tradeasur, Inc., focused on exporting American-made construction equipment and electrical power systems components to emerging markets. US-China-solutions.com, US-China-solutions.com, offers business solutions to the importer, exporter, and investigating firm needing to secure their products or establish a foothold in China. USAOmnitrade.com, OmniTrade, provides access to international sourcing. Wellcong.com, Wellcong Consultant, Stockholm, EU Company Information Service. Wudang.com, Wudang Research Association, Business Services and Martial Arts Teaching and Research,